This is an exciting year for Lincoln. This is a 1956 Lincoln Premier Hardtop, a dramatic departure from the previous year. Most other new cars had their new styling in 1955, but Lincoln was about a year late in the totally new style. But they more than made up for it in this car. I videoed quite a few Lincoln Premier Hardtops 1956 over the years, but this one is novel in its color selection, light green and white, and notice the air conditioning. The tubes in the rear window there, the scoops on the side to bring in the fresh air. Certainly an early car with air conditioning. Beautiful eggshell interior, and you'll notice along the side rails above the windows you see the distribution for the cool air from the air conditioner. The back seat has a pull down armrest. And a very futuristic looking dashboard. Lots of slide switches. Very deluxe steering wheel. Power steering and brakes, the usual. Power seat. This car is for sale at Gateway Classics, so I'll see if I can find a link to it from their website. You'll notice in the back here we have the exhaust terminating in the bumper, and behind the license plate bracket there is the gas filler. Those outlets in the bumper were not such a great idea because they had a tendency to stain the bumper. But they were very popular at this point. There certainly is chrome here on the car in the trim areas, but it's not an excessive use of chrome. It's rather laid back. We have some auxiliary gauges there under the dash. Very roomy car. Panoramic windshield, and there's the data. You can stop the video to get the details. There it is. Beautiful car, new styling for the year, and certainly a very big car.